Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the minimum essentials so you can act immediately. Look at the recent logs and note error codes and timestamps. This tells you where to focus. Make sure the runtime and environment variables match production and open the exact config files that affect the failing feature. Then reproduce the issue locally with the same inputs and network settings so you can test changes safely without impacting users. Once you can reproduce, isolate the component by disabling plugins or toggling feature flags, and bisect recent commits to find where behavior changed. Attach a debugger or add targeted logging to capture variable state and stack traces. This reveals the how behind the failure. Implement the smallest safe code or config change that addresses the cause, run unit and integration tests, and then deploy to a 1. You finish by deploying gradually, using a canary or phased rollout and watching key metrics and user flows closely. Make sure synthetic checks run and validate behavior for at least 24 to 72 hours so intermittent issues surface. If problems recur, roll back immediately to the last known good version and capture full traces, logs, and environment snapshots to drive a postmortem. This keeps users safe and gives you the data needed to prevent the error from returning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.